Illegally detained All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Alam Butt has said that the Indian government is playing with the lives of Kashmiri political detainees and they are being tortured even in the holy month of Ramadan. Masarrat Alam Butt, in his message from the infamous Tihar jail in New Delhi, deplored that India was targeting the citizens and detainees of the occupied Kashmir in various ways. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the raids by the Indian forces and intelligence agencies on the residences of the Hurriyat leaders, activists, journalists, human rights activists in the occupied territory. Illegally detained General Secretary of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, deplored that Indian forces and secret agencies are raiding the houses of Hurriyat leaders and activists even during the month of Ramadan, which was highly condemnable. Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism have martyred over 750 Kashmiris since August 5, 2019 in the territory. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, Indian troops have martyred 750 Kashmiris, including 14 women, since the abrogation of the special status by the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government in gross violation of the United Nations resolutions and international laws. It said senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Muhammad Ashraf Sehrai and Altaf Ahmad Shah were subjected to custodial deaths, and the veteran resistance leader Sayyid Ali Gilani died while remaining under house detention for more than a decade. Family members of a missing youth during a protest in Srinagar demanded his whereabouts. Firdaus Ahmed, a resident of Kupwara, went missing on 17 February this year in Ludhiana in the Indian state of Punjab, and since then his whereabouts are unknown. The family members staged a protest at the press enclave in Srinagar seeking his whereabouts. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has paid glowing tributes to the renowned religious scholar and former president of Azad Kashmir Mirwais Muhammad Yusuf Shah on his death anniversary. The DFP spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that Muhammad Yusuf Shah would be remembered for a long time in the Kashmir history. All types of commercial transport operators, including trucks, buses, minibuses and taxis, have announced a complete strike in the territory on April 17. A decision in this regard was taken in a meeting of the All Jammu and Kashmir Transport Welfare Association. The speakers expressed concern over the attitude of the authorities and said they have been fed up with the response of the officers. National Conference has said that the common people are carrying the heaviest burden of the bureaucratic rule the territory has ever witnessed. National Conference General Secretary Ali Muhammad Sagar, interacting with the office bearers, workers and a number of public delegations at the party office in Srinagar, said that the people were in the grips of an unprecedented variety of problems due to the worrisome erosion of their democratic rights. A prayer session was held under the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter in Islamabad with convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar in chair today. The participants of the meeting paid tributes to the Kashmiri scholar and political leader Mirwais Muhammad Yusuf Shah on the occasion of his death anniversary.